Hello guys, welcome to GurusHub. You'll be claiming your Hamster Kombat daily combo of 5 million token today. And right now you have to follow up, go to your mine and
first we have to go to specials, then we're going to select TG leaders, and then the second one should be semi-final. You have to get it. Alright, the third one should be this. Alright, here we got a new tab which is word 3. Here we got it, so you gotta get this card right now. Here's the third one. Okay, now I just unlocked my 5 million token, so you get yours. Please subscribe, share and leave a comment. Also like it for YouTube to recommend my videos to others. Thank you for watching and thank you for coming. Hope to see you next time. I'll be updating you soon on Cypher. Get back and watch. See you soon.